In the government school roof collapse case in the Jhalawar district, about 5 teachers have now been suspended, and this is for negligence. Now, viewers, the incident claimed the lives of about 7 students, while several were trapped, but eventually they were pulled out of the rubble during rescue operations. Now, the state government has also announced an ex gratia of rupees 10 lakh. This is to the kin of each deceased in this incident. Now, the government has also said that it will build a new school, and the school rooms will essentially be named after the deceased students, 7 in this case. Further, an investigation is underway, and the government has assured that action will be taken against those responsible behind the negligence in this case.
सात बच्चों की मृत्यु हो गई है और 13 बच्चे तो यहाँ नहीं 11 बच्चे तो यहाँ SRG मेडिकल कॉलेज में हैं और 7-8 बच्चे हाँ एक चला गया था, फिर 9 बच्चे मनोर थाना है। बहुत ही कष्ट का विषय है, दुखद घटना है और सब लोगों से, उनके परिवारजनों से हमारी बातचीत हुई है और सरकार की तरफ से 10-10 लाख रुपए की उनको आर्थिक सहायता देने की घोषणा की है।
Now, former Rajasthan Chief Minister and senior BJP leader Vasundhara Raje also said that the incident could have been avoided had the building been identified as unsafe and students been relocated to some safer location. Further, leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha Rahul Gandhi has now called the incident extremely tragic and concerning. He also demanded a fair investigation in the case and the strictest punishment for those who are guilty. More developments now coming in the roof collapse case that came from Rajasthan. About 5 teachers suspended for negligence, 7 students lost their life. Now, the government has announced compensation for the kin of those who lost their lives, 7 students in this case. Meanwhile, the leader of opposition in Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, has demanded an investigation into the case. He's called it concerning and extremely tragic at this point. In fact, BJP leader Vasundhara Raje also said that this incident could have been avoided had the building been declared unsafe and had the students been relocated to some safer location.